this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, here is the website. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos in this gallery link, and together with the contact details here on this link with the map on the side. Yeah, if you have any other services that you are going to like publish, you can also use this link, the services, and of course about the company on this link there. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply, let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Tier. Talk to you soon.